What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to play Backgammon Online. If you want to play Backgammon Online quickly without downloading anything, backgammon.com is one of the easiest options. You can start playing in just a few minutes. First thing first, open your browser or your phone on computer and visit backgammon.com. The site loads directly in your browser. There is no app to install. Once site loads, you'll see an option to sign up or log in. If you want to save your progress, stats, and play against ranked players, create a free account using your email. If you want just to try the game, some mods allow you to play instantly as a guest. Signing up only takes a moment and gives you access to more features. Now, after logging in, you'll be taken to the main lobby. From here, you can choose how you want to play. Play versus computer, play online versus real players, or private games. Pick the mode that fits your experience level. And once you select a mode, the game will automatically match you with an opponent or start a new board. The dice roll automatically, legal moves are highlighted to you, and you can click or tap move your checkers. If you're new, the interface guides you so you don't make illegal moves. Now all you have to do is play and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.